Discover top-notch appliance care with Bruno's Appliance Repair and Sales. Serving Port Charlotte, Northport, Punta Gorda, Englewood, and Venice, we're your go-to team for local appliance repair. Whether your refrigerator, dryer, oven, or microwave needs a fix, we've got the expertise to get it running like new. From garbage disposals to refrigerator ice maker repairs, our specialists handle it all with precision and dedication. Looking for new appliances? We've got sales covered too. Trust Bruno's for reliable home appliance repair. Call us today and experience the difference.